This is a worked solution to AQA GCSE Physics P3, June 2014 paper, question 2. Question 2 is a circular motion question, and it tells us that the resultant force is a centripetal force, and in the case of a satellite orbiting the Earth, the centripetal force is provided by the gravitational attraction between the satellite and the Earth. Gravitational attraction, or gravity, is sufficient for the answer. Two factors that determine the size of the centripetal force on the satellite. Well, this could be any two from the mass of the satellite. Clearly, if there's a bigger satellite, there will be a bigger force between the Earth and the satellite. The speed or velocity of the satellite, exercise of the force, and the radius of the orbit of the satellite, or the distance from the satellite to Earth. So radius of orbit is another factor. We only need to choose two of those. We're then given a table of data. It's fair to assume that at some point we're going to be asked to analyse this. It should be pretty clear from looking at it that for these different satellites, as the average height increases, so does the time taken to orbit the Earth. Related to this, though, is the mass of the satellite, and there doesn't appear to be any correlation between this data and either the height or the time taken. In question 2c part 1, we're asked to state any relationship, if any, between the height of the satellite and the time taken for it to orbit the Earth. So increasing the height increases the time. We then asked if there's any relationship between the time and the satellite's mass. It should be clear from the table that there is no relationship between these two things. So there is no correlation or no relationship. Part D is a how science works question about Isaac Newton. So Newton proposed that if an object was fired from the top of a high mountain at a high enough speed, it would circle the Earth. Many people accepted this idea as being possible, and the reason why was because Newton was a respected scientist in his time who had made new discoveries before.